Video we are going to see how to use the model. So you can see in this particular page we have 4 different model. So each button, if I click, a model will be triggered. If I click on model 2, you can see model 2 is triggered. If I click on model 4, model 4 is triggered. So this is the actual usage. So let's see what are the features that we have. So if I click it, you'll see the background gets black color, which is opacity, which is transparent, and then you'll see the actual model content gets from bottom to top. Let me show you again. Background gets transparent and this model comes from bottom to top with a opacity. Now if I click on close, again the animation will be reversed. First the model box gets down and then the background gets disappear. So this is same for all the model. It is not necessary that we need to just click on this button. Even if we click outside the box, it would work. So now let me show you the code. So the main thing is your button should have a class called model1. The same way your model box should have class of open model. So you can see this should match with the model. That's only you will be able to trigger each model individually. So the tutorial for this I have already uploaded in my YouTube channel. So this is just a review video. That means you can use this code directly, and I won't be explaining the code. I'll be just showing you what need to be done in order to make this code work. So that's all for this video. Get the source code in the description box.